Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the ARC or eARC port on the TV and the audio device. This matters because ARC carries both sound and control signals on one cable. Once you locate the port, power off both devices and select a high-speed or ultra-high-speed HDMI cable. This prevents bandwidth issues with Dolby formats. Make sure the audio device is set to accept HDMI input. If you have multiple devices, label the cable so you avoid swapping ports later. Now plug the HDMI cable into the TV ARC or eARC port and into the audio system's HDMI OUT ARC. Power on the TV, then the receiver or soundbar. Navigate to the TV audio settings and switch output to HDMI ARC. This routes audio off the TV. Then, enable HDMI CC and ARC/eARC features on both devices so volume and power sync. Make sure audio processing modes match. For example, use Bitstream for surround pass-through or PCM for basic stereo. Finish by testing with multiple source types, streaming apps, cable box, and game console, since formats differ and you want consistent results. If audio doesn't pass, power cycle the TV and audio device, reseat the HDMI cable, and re-enable ARC. Often the handshake resets. Also try forcing PCM on the TV to isolate format negotiation issues. This proves whether a codec mismatch is the problem. Once sound is stable, adjust lip sync and bass management on the receiver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.